Congratulations, you've got an offer into Western. Now it's time to accept. Here's how.
First thing first, you'll need to activate your Western account. You'll only need to do this once, even if you get multiple offers. Click on the accept button in your offer email to get started. Type your Western student number and set up your password and secret question.
Now you can register into your program. Let's go. Head to My Student Records from the link on My Western account or the Western homepage. Log in with the student ID number and password that you just set up.
There are 4 steps to register into your program. Step 1 is personal details. Step 2 is surveys and requirements. Step 3 is government forms. And step 4 is field of study and subjects.
In step 1, you just need to make sure that your personal details are correct and let us know some important information like your emergency contacts.
In step 2, you'll need to complete some surveys which the government will use to create statistics about who is studying at university. For some programs, you'll need to meet specific program requirements to be able to study with us. And here is where you show that you meet these.
Step 3 is where you decide how you're going to pay for your program. There are 2 different types of fees: program fees and the student services and amenities fee, which is much smaller and covers the cost of the support and services that we provide.
If you are eligible, you can put all of your fees onto a help loan from the government. Otherwise, you'll have to pay them directly before your census date. You can choose individually how you like to pay each one.
This section is also where you provide your tax file number and USI number. If you don't have either of these, be sure to apply for them straight away.
And if you catch public transport or you just like discounts, be sure to fill out the Opal concession form too. Once you've done that, you can head to the Opal website where you can order your card and enjoy the cheap fares.
You have made it to step 4. Now all you have to do is to confirm which subjects you are registering in. Your subjects should be preloaded and ready to go. If they are not there, or you are studying part-time, make sure to check out our video on registering in subjects.
Now you're fully registered into your program. Make sure you set up your student email so you don't miss any updates on what comes next. But for now, your next step is to celebrate.